Hey guys, welcome to our quarantine haul number 2. This was $413 or $414, something like that, and some change. Walmart grocery pickup order. Let's get started. So you may be wondering why I have on a clean glove, why I'm filming in my garage. Well, we're in quarantine. It is the coronavirus 2020. I'm in San Antonio, Texas. We are in a stay-home lockdown, and I picked up this grocery order from Walmart, taking precaution. So we undid everything in here with one pair of gloves, took off those gloves. Now I have on a clean pair to film with. So I'm holding my camera with my right hand with a clean pair of gloves, and I'll be touching whatever I'm going to touch to show you guys with my left hand, and then I will take this one off and sanitize everything before I bring it in my house. Fun times. I don't know, I wouldn't take this as like, this is what I should do with my groceries. This is what we're doing. I don't know that it's going to be a fantastic way of doing stuff. I'm just doing it based on trying not to cross-contaminate. Because most people that I've seen, even at the store, that are wearing gloves are cross-contaminating everything. And even when I've seen people disinfect their groceries online, they're still cross-contaminating all of it. So we're going to try and do this without cross-contaminating and hope for the best. So I thought I would share with you guys before I start wiping everything down and sanitizing it and cleaning it to put into our fridge and pantry. I thought I would share with you guys. So like I said, Walmart grocery pickup, you guys know I have a love-hate relationship with Walmart. My grocery pickup order actually started at like $470 or something like that. I was trying to buy a whole month's worth of groceries, and they canceled about $80 worth of my, well, no, I guess they canceled, they substituted out a bunch of stuff, and then I guess they canceled like $70 of my groceries because it ended up being $414, and it was like almost $500. So yes, this is what we ended up getting. They did cancel some necessities, and I'm just gonna have to work with it and move on. So let's start off. Also, I will say they got some things in our order that we did not order. So I mean, I'm not faulting Walmart at all, because this whole thing is like a huge learning curve. They're working their butts off. We waited in Walmart grocery pickup, their line, like their queue thing, to go pick it up for almost an hour to get these groceries, but it beat going into the actual store. So let me show you what I got. Like I said, keep in mind, I'm trying to not have to go get the bulk of my groceries for another month. So we'll see, because some of the fresh stuff definitely won't last a whole month. So we're just gonna have to make it work. So watermelon, some blueberries, 2 cucumbers. I got basil. I've been wanting to make some bruschetta, and that's baby water that we had to get because everyone's taking the baby water and Everly drinks formula. So we've had that for a little while. It just lives out here. Basil, because I've been wanting to make bruschetta. And then I actually bought a basil plant as well. I don't know exactly how to do this, but I'm going to try because I love fresh basil. And the plant was only, it was like the same price as this basil. Some nectarines, a papaya. This is also kind of what creeped me out too. Some of the stuff was in plastic baggies like this. Some of the stuff just came in the regular Walmart grocery bags, just completely laid out like this. Not sure why, but it did. So extra. And for fruits like this, things that have skin, I'm just going to wash them with warm water. I mean, that's how you're supposed to clean your fruits and vegetables anyway. So that's what we're gonna do. So eggplant, cucumber, nectarine, papaya. I have a couple of sweet potatoes here. 2 gallons. I got 1%. They substituted out for whole milk. It's milk. The girls will drink it. Some frozen whole corn. What are these? That's a red onion. Some Roma tomatoes. Shredded lettuce. Some carrots, baby carrots. Honeycrisp apples. Some avocados. Normally I like to pull all this stuff out, but not happening today. Grapefruit, 2 more bags of Honeycrisp, or maybe they're Gala. 1 Gala, 1 Honeycrisp, another Gala bag. What is that? Green onion, green apples, celery, red grapes, more avocado. Why they came like that, I don't know. Cauliflower bits, a cantaloupe, some pears, bananas, kiwi, sweet bell pepper, or like the sweet mini peppers, plums, tricolor coleslaw, some premium romaine lettuce, squash, and a bunch of zucchini, some half and half fat-free cottage cheese, vanilla yogurt, green grapes, a big thing of tortillas. This is corn. I ordered flour. They did not give me flour. I got hot dogs and I forgot hot dog buns. So, you know, it is what it is. I have beef. I have turkey hot dogs. I got lunch meat, some turkey breast, a big old thing of pepperoni. That'll last us a while. Pepperoni freezes really nicely too. This we did not order. And I feel really bad because it wasn't even like it was an extra bag. It was in with some of the stuff we did order. So, low salt ham. Lots of lunch meat here. Lots. Because you can see I ordered that turkey and I ordered some thin sliced ham. And then this was just happened to be in there. And it's expensive. I feel bad. Oven roasted turkey breast. What is this one? More ham. And honey ham. So, I mean, that's awesome that it's really good lunch meat, but I feel bad for whoever didn't get what they ordered. They'll get their money back, but still, I'll probably contact Walmart and just let them know. So I got ham here, another case of water, some ice cream, Millennium Crunch for Andres, the no sugar added vanilla for me. I really like that stuff. Laughing Cow, light wedge cheese, some hummus, the roasted garlic kind, and some mango spears. One thing I have to say too is I dramatically underestimate how big the bags of stuff that they have are. Like this on the website looked like a huge thing of mangoes and it's not at all. Same thing with the cauliflower bag. Like I had fresh broccoli, I had a spaghetti squash, I had more zucchini for zoodles and squash casserole. They wouldn't let me add any more bananas. There was like a bunch of stuff that they just canceled. Strawberries, they just didn't have them. They didn't give them to me. I have some whipped chive cream cheese, some light sour cream, some grape tomatoes. I think I ordered 2 of these. I only got 1 of the English muffins and some sliced cheese. We have some cheese, but I wanted to get a little bit more. And then I have the American cheese. I got 1 thing of the Jimmy Dean sausage for breakfast. And then, luckily, I was able to get the lavish bread. Although I thought they canceled 1 of these. I thought they only gave me 1, but they gave me 2. So, oh, and something's melting. The ice cream, it's melting. Okay, that needs to go in. So I have a lavish bread and honey wheat and multigrain. The Extreme Wellness high fiber tortillas. And then these are wrong. These are not the ones that I ordered, but it's fine. I'll make it work. The Carb Balance flour tortillas. So I'll actually have the girls help me with these. These are like the burrito style. The ones that I get are the fajita style and they're only 1 point a piece. I think these are 3, but it's fine. So they didn't give me the girls flour tortillas, but they gave me these and so it'll work just fine. A 10-pound bag of russet potatoes, some teriyaki beef bites, turkey beef bites, a thing of chips. I only got 1 meat. That's literally all they had, and it's cube stew meat. I got some lactation cookies, some sugar-free dark and milk chocolate for s'mores, a couple of country gravies for biscuits and gravy one morning, bacon bits, some capers. I didn't order this either. I had enough pasta for my last trip, but I got a box of rotini, 2 of the Great Value brand buttermilk waffles, and this must have just been an error on my part because I actually ended up with 4 of these. I don't know how that even happened. So I have 2. We'll use them. Luckily they're freezer items, but still. 1 Kick cereal. I feel like I ordered another bag of cereal that I did not get. A Bolthouse Farm Ranch. Some Texas Toast cheese toast. Some of the veggie pasta. Some chocolate. Rice cakes. The bread. They shorted me a bread. Oh no, it's up there. I was like, they shorted me a bread. So I had ordered Sara Lee Delightful bread. They substituted for Wonder white bread. you know, it is what it is. I ordered the larger Sara Lee wheat bread. They gave me 2 smaller ones. Again, not complaining, I have food. Tomato basil garlic sauce, and I got another brown gravy. Let's see what else. Some more sugar-free candy, just for snacking. Some healthy choice meals. I got a beef teriyaki. These are mostly for me for lunch. 4 cheese ravioli, pineapple chicken. I got some skinny pop bags back here. Some cheese ravioli. They substituted that for something else I had ordered. Some Lay's Poppables, sun-dried tomatoes to make this antipasto sauce. I got a big bag of Italian-style meatballs and some turkey breakfast patties. I got a thing of chicken nuggets, but I had ordered a large bag. They gave me the smaller bag. I guess they didn't have the large bag. 1 thing of shrimp. I was like, dang, they shorted me these 2. 2 things of burritos, 1 bean and cheese, 1 chicken, rice, and bean, just again for like quick lunches or whatever for the girls. Some artichoke hearts, pineapple chunks, because they were out of pineapples. 1 can of black beans, that's all they had. 2 things of cornstarch. I got this because I saw a recipe. If you mix this with conditioner, I have to find out the exact measurements, but if you mix this with conditioner, you can make moon dough. The girls will really like that. So I got 2 of them. Marinara sauce, my lactation cookies. I got the big pack. This was $20, so that was a good portion of what I spent. Some butterfly shrimp. I had ordered coconut. Guess I didn't have coconut. They gave me that one. I thought this is a prime example. I thought this was a large bag of baked chips. It's not. As you can see there, it's not, but it's fine. A family size orange chicken for dinner one night. A big thing of maple and brown sugar instant oatmeal. There's that other Wonder Bread, and then there's my other waffles. Again, not sure how I ended up with 4 packs of them, but you know what? At least we have them. So I feel like in comparison to what I can normally get at H-E-B, I would have had way more at H-E-B for $414. But we have food. I'm hoping this will get us through the next month, and I'm grateful that we were able to pick it all up without having to go into the store and risk anybody. Now to sanitize and put it all away. Fun! Okay, so today is a different day. I went to a neighborhood Walmart. Is that what they're called? Yeah, like a neighborhood, one of the little Walmarts. And they had some stuff, a lot of the stuff that they canceled from my big order. I went inside with a mask. I had gloves. If you follow my vlog channel, I explain the entire process to you. In fact, on my vlog channel, I'll link that video below. I explained how I sanitized these last time. So here we are again, dirty glove. And this is what I ended up picking up. So I got some French bread. I'm making bruschetta tonight. I forgot hot dog buns, so I picked up those. Hamburger buns for another night for dinner. Baked chips, they did not have those. In fact, they canceled the baked chips that were on my order, so I picked up those. Some cereal. I tried to find these bagged cereals on the Walmart grocery online, and they didn't have them, so I picked up a few so we would be stocked on cereal for a little while. They had no meat other than that cube stew meat that I got. That was literally the only meat that they had. So I picked up some ground chicken. What is this? Round, extra thin cut. We're gonna use this for fajitas. I got 1 thing of the extra lean ground beef. This was on sale, you could see. And then another lean ground chicken. So that's the only meat that I picked up, but I picked it up because the Walmart grocery pickup did not have a huge selection, and I have plenty of frozen chicken. I just didn't have this stuff. Spaghetti squash, they canceled that for my order. 1 18-count of eggs, that's all they let you buy in store. Canceled it from my order, which is probably why they canceled it now that I think about it, because I had like 4 different dozen on there, thinking one of them would be in stock, but they only let you buy 1 total. 1. So I'm thinking that's why I got canceled. That was totally my fault. So I got the eggs. I found this just because Stoke, I'm not sure how you pronounce it, but the cold brew coffee. I don't know, I just thought that looked good. Some more of my fiber brownies. That was just because I was in store. The strawberries because they canceled it from my order. More avocados because I did not get enough avocado. The Faye Greek yogurt for my 2-ingredient dough. They canceled that for my order. Light and Fit Greek yogurt because they canceled that for my order as well. Toasted coconut vanilla. Butter. They didn't have that on stock. It's actually margarine, the light margarine. They didn't have that in stock at all, so I bought it. Orange juice. They didn't let you buy it online. And then waffle cut fries. They canceled that for my order. The corn on the cob. They canceled that for my order. And then I picked up extra corn dogs of Voila Bird's Eye garlic chicken and a garlic shrimp meal. Some fish sticks for the girls and shrimp poppers for the girls. So a couple of things, like a handful of things on here were extra that I probably wouldn't have picked up anyway, but a lot of the stuff is stuff that they canceled from my online grocery order. And honestly, you guys, getting this stuff from the neighborhood Walmart, I feel like the next time I go grocery shopping, I'll just suit up and be prepared to scrub down when I get home, wear my gloves and my mask, and just grocery shop like once a week. I honestly feel like that's probably the best way to do it than trying to grocery shop for the month, because this to clean off and sanitize is going to be so much easier than the way that we did it the other night. It just took way too long, and it all fit on my table. It just was a lot easier. So yeah, that is what the remainder of my grocery haul was for the month. So total, I spent almost my $600 budget. Let's see, I think I spent $414 the other day. This was like $170, I think, something like that. So about $585, $590 of my $600 budget, which, considering I got 5 packs of meat and my lactation cookies, I guess wasn't as bad. I don't know. I really don't know. I feel like a lot of the convenience items, like those corn dogs and stuff like that, are kind of pricey, but at least we have them and we should be good now for the next month. The only thing I think I'll definitely need is milk, eggs, and probably a little bit of fresh produce, but we're gonna try and let it stretch as long as we can. So that is the remainder of the haul. Hope you enjoyed. Hopefully I'm in focus, because I did not switch hands since I was touching everything with this one. I did not switch hands to flip my screen, so I can't see the screen. But that was my grocery haul for probably just the month of April. Like I said, depending on how long we're on lockdown, I'm really gonna try and just shop once a month, grocery pickup, get it all done. My grocery budget is usually about $600 a month, and typically that includes formula for Everly. We were able to find formula shortly after the last grocery haul, within like the week after, so we're stocked up on that for at least another month. So that's all I'll be spending for the month. I will, because we didn't get any eggs, none. I could not believe that. I even placed 2 different egg orders in hopes that they would have one or the other. They didn't, so it's fine. We'll definitely need eggs, milk, and bread at some point before the month is over. I did freeze milk, so maybe not milk, and if we're sparing with the eggs, we may be able to make the like 1.5 dozen that we have left work for the next month. We'll see. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed my second quarantine haul. I'll be sure and keep you guys updated as, you know, we have to pick up more stuff. Definitely go follow my vlog channel. That is H Kitty Vlogs. The link is down below. I vlog every single day, just my family, what we're up to. Right now, I am currently staying at home with all 4 of my girls, and we're homeschooling and making it work. So I'm glad to have groceries. I'm glad the shopping trip is over. Now, once this stuff is put away and sanitized, I will feel so much better. So I hope you guys enjoyed the haul. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought, and we'll see you in the next one.